If you damage the drywall or siding next to the door jamb during repairs, stop and assess the extent of the damage before moving forward. First, determine whether the damage is superficial or structural by probing gently with a screwdriver to check for soft spots or rot. For drywall holes smaller than 2 inches, push back any loose paper, fill with a high-quality pre-mixed spackling compound, let it dry fully, then sand flush with the surrounding surface using fine grit paper and feather the edges to avoid ridges. For larger drywall damage, remove the compromised section to the nearest stud, cut a replacement patch to fit, secure it with drywall screws, tape the seams with paper or fiberglass tape, apply 2 thin coats of joint compound, allowing thorough dry time and sanding between coats, then prime before painting. When siding is affected, match the material type and profile first, whether vinyl, fiber, cement, wood, or metal, then remove only the damaged panel or board and replace it with a like piece, using appropriate fasteners and sealants and ensuring laps and joints remain weather-tight. If the door jamb itself is compromised, check for frame movement or gaps. Shim and fasten the jamb back plumb, replace any rotted jamb sections or use epoxy consolidant for small decay, and reinstall threshold or trim with corrosion-resistant screws to restore alignment. Always allow adhesives, fillers, and paints to cure per manufacturer instructions and work in mild, dry conditions to avoid trapping moisture that could lead to mold or future failure. Common mistakes include skimming over hidden water damage and later seeing stain bleed through the new paint, so always test for moisture and treat or replace water-affected materials before finishing. Another frequent error is using the wrong filler or siding material, which leads to cracking or color mismatch, so verify material compatibility and match profile and expansion characteristics, and use paint rated for the substrate. Finally, many people fail to restore flashing or sealant around the jamb, which causes leaks, so reinstall or replace flashing the correct way by lapping flashing layers from the wall out and tooling sealant into joints to maintain a continuous weather barrier. Our site, bighomeprojects.com, connects homeowners with local contractors and gives contractors a place to find work related to projects like door jamb replacement and adjacent surface repair. We also host a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and learn from one another about techniques, materials, and trusted local options.